back here with a look at Veracity. All right, I believe this thing is getting ready to make another run here. We got the daily RSI just turning back up here, which is a massive indicator. Okay, so let's take a look, number one, here at some volume and see what's going on here with the market. See if we have some buy volume coming in and see what's going on here, okay? All right, 44.6 million. Volume is up 2.17%. That kind of surprises me. Maybe not enough people looking at this chart, but 44 million in volume. That's half of our market cap, 80 million. So that's over half. That's pretty impressive. But for the last 24 hours, it's only up 1.24% from yesterday. So still massive volume coming in here on Veracity. All right, we got the daily RSI. Look at this thing, just turning up. And if you're not familiar with RSIs, guys, when it's at the top, it's oversold. Or overbought, I'm sorry. When it's at the bottom, it's oversold, okay? So when it's at the top, you're expecting price to come down. When it's at the bottom, you're expecting price to rise, all right? Especially on the daily, all right? Now, if you're not familiar with this stuff, I sell level 3 membership that you can sign up for, over 7 hours of training videos to teach you this stuff. So, if I could have came across this 4 years ago, I would have jumped on it for 15 bucks. It's taken me a long time to learn how to do this stuff. Years, all right? So, you can make a major jump in your trading by getting them videos, That's up to you. It isn't like I work for a living. I work in the medical field. I do this. I'm hoping to make this full time eventually, my trading. Getting there. Hopefully this next bull run will set me up and I can finish up with working for the rest of my life and just do this. That's my dream. I love trading. I love looking at charts. I get excited to do it every day. I love it. These videos, I make a few bucks off of them, but all in all, the hours I have in it, it isn't, hourly. I don't make barely anything. So I do it for the fun of it, and I do it to help people out, and that's my biggest thing, especially with the trading videos. If I can change somebody's life, and I have had nothing but fantastic feedback on them videos, and it's changing people's lives, and that makes me feel really good. If I can do that for somebody, then that's awesome. For 15 bucks, I gotta charge something. 7 hours of videos, I'm paying myself $2 an hour. Okay, so I need to make something off of them, and I've had great responses. So if you're interested, guys, I'm telling you, it's worth your 15 bucks. You're gonna spend it on a lottery ticket or something. Go sign up for level 3 and learn this stuff. It'll change your life. It will. When the bull run comes and you're looking at these charts and you see bearish divergence or something happening, a top is coming in and you better sell. Right there, it can save you. Who knows what you'll have, $100,000 into crypto, and if you don't catch that bearish divergence and it heads down the other side, you're going to lose tens of thousands of dollars. And then you're going to say, boy, maybe that 15 bucks was worth it. I'm telling you. All right, let's move on here. First off, let's take a look at the fib and see where we're at here. Fibonacci, look at that. We are right up at a 702. Where'd my 702 go? Let's put that back in there. Jeez, I don't know where the heck it went. It's just on there. Sometimes, I don't know what the heck happens here, but 0.702. Very important fib level. I love that, and right there it is. I would rather have that green. Let's turn that green. I like my fib green. There we go. All right, there we go. 702, very important level. And you can see we nailed it. We hit that 702 on the dot. That's right there, that bright yellow line, and that turned into be resistance at 0.092. All right, that is our high on this run, so that's the area we need to break through. Let's get this fib off here, and if we break up to 0.0099, if we break through there, you're really going to see this thing start moving. All right, the next resistance up above that's at 0.0115. Okay, that's this previous high over here. Now let's look at some RSIs. We got the weekly at the top, turning a little bearish here. We got the monthly still heading up. That's the big one, the monthly. All right, the monthly is it's like a cheat code, man. I love the monthly RSI. The daily just turning back up. Okay, so it looks like it's going to make another run at that 0.009, especially with the daily turning up. We got the 12-hour turning up. It's bullish, 25 and a 22. Got the 8-hour, 36 and a 42, rolling over a little bit. All right, but we do have a green candle started, so I believe it's on its way back up here. And the 4-hour is turning back up. You see that curve? It's turning back up. What's going to happen here with this thing? You're going to see this blue come on the inside, the orange on the other side. More than likely, that's exactly what looks like is going to happen here, okay? So, looks like it's going to make another push up here. This looks like a 5-wave up. All right, let's take a look here. This could be a 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put a trend-based fib on here and see what kind of target. You know, if this is a 1, 2, you know, this would give a target. Look at that. Ain't that crazy? This stuff, it's amazing when you start doing these things and see where these prices line up. Look at that, right up at that resistance. It's, you know, I couldn't make this stuff up. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, this 5th wave ain't going to be that long, but maybe the 4th wave is still working here, or the 3rd wave. This is going to pull up here. You know, hard to say. And it doesn't have to make a full extension, but isn't it kind of odd that I put that trend-based fib on there and it hit up there? Kind of odd. When stuff starts tying in together, that's telling you something, okay? That 0.0184 looks like a very good target area here for, you know, a week or two down the road, especially with that daily RSI reset, you know, okay? This first move ended up being just off the daily. This first move ended up coming up, you know, 100%, 110%, okay? This was off this first daily. Now the daily's reset again and starting up, right? So that 0.0115 is definitely in the cards, I believe. All right, the monthly, especially with the monthly heading up too. Okay, that monthly is a big one. All right, we get up to these levels. If we can flip that, if we can break through this 0.011, 0.0115, whatever you call it, this previous high here, all right, that's going to open up a world of opportunity here, okay, because then we'll be making a run up here at the 0.0183. But Veracity's looking good. Got the daily RSI reset, got some nice volume coming in, 27 billion today, 46 billion yet, or this is on the month, I'm sorry. So far for the month, 27 billion. Last month was 46 billion, so we're on pace to overtake last month as far as volume. Nice, last 3 months have been all green candles, and looks like we're pushing our way up here, guys. So Veracity's looking good. All right, thanks a lot. Please hit the like and subscribe. Talk to you.